My Ryobi set that I got, it came with the carrying bag. Just wanted to go some of the tools real quick of what you can use with just that one battery. So you got the reciprocating saw on there. You got the impact driver. The power inflator, like I said, I really enjoyed it. And then the drill as well. And then it comes with the charger. There is there is a circular saw that it comes with. I just don't have it right now. This is the One Plus 18 volt, and there's over like 70 plus tools that you can use with it.
And that's and I normally do the Hyper Tough brand because I am more of the Aaron, my other brother Brandon, my dad definitely huge. They're literally becoming, you know, master do-it-yourselfers. Okay, I'm still the beginner newbie, so I normally do the Walmart Hyper Tough brand. I'm a big fan because it's very inexpensive. But what really I saw about this is you said there was over 70 different tools, correct? Yeah. That use the interchangeable 18 volt, and that's when I started doing my research. I mean, again, I'm still a big fan of the Hyper Tough. I really am. But this is what impressed me was that there's so many different tools that you can use off of the same interchangeable battery. So I appreciate you sharing that, Aaron.
All right. If you have any questions, just visit us toolforguys.com.